Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of August 22nd, 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Those who are new to my channel, please note that this is your special full moon reading. These cards will tell me about your emotions and the special messages that you have from the angels that will help you deal with the emotions that you're dealing with right now. I'm going to select two random cards from this deck. Let's see which one is for you. This one caught my eye, so it's the Angel of Balance. And this one, the Angel of Communication, right? So we have got the Angel of Balance and the Angel of Communication for you. So, the Angel of Balance is asking you, are you dealing with an inflamed or unbalanced situation? Do you have imbalances in your body? So definitely you might be feeling inflammation, you might be feeling bloating of some sort, or inflammation of your skin, or something is not right about your body around this time. You know, that means that your maybe imbalances in your body can be hormonal imbalances in your body. So you definitely, Pisces, are experiencing something of that sort. The angels are asking you to balance your emotions through journaling, exercise, and healthy communication, which means that you need to exercise, make it a part of your routine. Journaling, write it down what you feel like, you know, if you have anger, you have resentment, you have some goals in your life, start writing it down, how your day was, just journal it. Take care of your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga and meditation are beneficial. So definitely yoga and meditation is going to help you if you're experiencing that, because this is caused by the imbalances in your body are caused by stress, are caused by negative thoughts. You know, you're taking stress about something only means that you're feeding it with negative thoughts, that oh my god that happened, oh my god that's not gonna happen, you know, that negative feeling. So avoid that. In case you're finding it difficult and you want to solve the imbalances in your body, the Angel of Balance has some positive affirmation for you, which you can start speaking today until the full moon. Say at least 3 times a day. It says, my body is healthy and in balance. My cells naturally regenerate and rejuvenate themselves so that all of my systems function harmoniously. I am calm and relaxed. I exercise regularly. I enjoy my meditation practice on a regular basis. Wow. So apart from saying these affirmations, you also need to exercise regularly, and you also need to do meditation. 5 minutes meditation. Start with the basic, you know, do some yoga, practice some deep breathing. That will help you calm your nerves and balance your emotions, okay? Now we get to the Angel of Communications, which is asking you, are you receiving intuitive messages? Do you wish to be more intuitive? So some of you might be having dreams which are trying to tell you something, or seeing signs which are trying to tell you something, you know, or just seeing random things, random connections, and you're like, oh my god, I was just thinking about it, or oh my god, is it really gonna happen? You know, sometimes you see that. New Pisces, we know it's intuitive, and I won't be surprised if this particular intuition card has come into your reading. But if you want to be more intuitive, the angel is saying, quiet your mind. Accept communication from angels and spirit guides. True communication includes listening, speaking, and observing. Notice messages from nature and your surroundings. Wow. And you know what? I am a Piscean, and I was actually looking at things and thinking, how can I be more intuitive? How can I get those signs? You know? So it's actually telling me, it's reading for me also, and it is so, oh my god, it is so accurate. I was actually wanting to be more intuitive. So I'll take this tip from the guides that they're telling me to listen, speak, and observe. You know, that's true communication. All these 3 things, and notice the messages from nature and your surroundings. And the positive affirmation is to become more intuitive, or to be calm and quiet and to receive those messages easily is, I send and receive messages with ease and grace. Guidance and inspiration from my angels and other spirit guides come to me moment by moment. I interpret the messages I receive and apply them to my life with wisdom. Wow. There's so many times we see these numbers, we see signs, we don't know what to do with them. We don't know where to apply, how will they even help us. We don't even know if this sign actually means something. You know, that happens all the time. This is what you need to do if you are in that state right now. I hope these affirmations and this video will help you. You guys take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.